Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to create your own WhatsApp sticker using an iPhone. It's a fun and creative way to personalize your chat, so let's get started. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. This is where you'll select the image you want to turn into a sticker. Then, browse your photos and choose an image you'd like to use for your custom sticker. Now, tap and hold on the subject within the photo that you want to turn into a sticker. This will allow you to select and copy the subject. After selecting the subject, tap Copy to copy it to your clipboard. Next, open the WhatsApp app on your iPhone. Make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed. Open any chat or conversation where you want to send your custom sticker. In the chat, tap and paste the copied subject from your clipboard. WhatsApp will process the pasted subject and you'll see a message indicating that it can be converted into a sticker. Tap Custom Sticker to confirm. Once a sticker is created, it will be added to your WhatsApp sticker collection and can be used in other conversations. And that's it. You've successfully created your own custom WhatsApp sticker using your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!